the environment is becoming tougher for you. And if you could all perhaps tell us what's happening with the cost of robots. It's falling. Is it falling fast? And is that a problem?
The cost of the robot, I guess we worked a lot on optimizing it between all of us. And of course, we see scale effects coming every year. The important thing is the integration cost, not the cost of the actual robot. What is the cost of the surrounding equipment? And in many cases, that has been the prohibitive factor of actually utilizing robot technology. If you take the complete cell, that is what you need to look at, and that is coming down sharply now. And that has been an issue in the past. But that is what's going to open up the opportunity to utilize robotics a lot more, not the arm itself. That is fairly cost optimized. I don't know if my colleagues agree with me.
Mm. I think the question was also, what about the competitive situation in general? And I think it's certainly true that more players will be on the market and will come to the market. I remember a statement, I think it was on the last discussion here, when we said maybe next time there will be also a Chinese robot supplier on the table, and here we are, right? So on my right-hand side, there is now a colleague from China, and certainly there is more competitors showing up. And also there's a Google story, what we heard a couple of months ago, and I'm not sure at the end of the day what is fiction, what is reality, what is actually created by the press. But I'm quite sure that Google will also could become into good players here. But what I expect, and I think what's really very important, is I do not see competition where we are now as a threat. I think it's really that it's also inspiring. And in particular, when we discuss how to program. Yeah? So all of us, the traditional ones, we are coming from a certain environment, and we are certainly listening to customers and trying actually to adapt. But new people have a new perspective, and I think we can learn from each other. The good thing is, yes, there are competitors coming up, but there's huge potential still to automate and to make use of robotics. So therefore, I think perspective to have more players in a growing market is a good one.
Yeah.